is complete.
And there's that call out. Stage 2 liquid oxygen loading is now complete, which means that propellant loading is now complete on Falcon 9. That means 1 million pounds of kerosene fuel and liquid oxygen are loaded on the vehicle. And gas closeouts are in work now, and you can see some of those white clouds on your screen. That is us venting out the liquid oxygen lines from the transporter erector, and when that cold gas meets that warmer ambient air, it turns into condensation, almost like what you see when you get condensation on a cold glass of water. We're coming up on T-minus 1 minute, where the internal flight computers will take over the launch countdown.
Falcon 9 is in startup.
And there we heard in startup. So next up will be the go from launch director for SpaceX. This means that Falcon 9 will be ready for liftoff. Let's get ready to hear the go from SpaceX launch director for launch tonight.
LD is go for launch.
And there we hear the LD is go for launch, targeting a T0 at 8:10:12.
T-minus 30 seconds.
Range is go and weather is go.
T-minus 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Liftoff of the Falcon 9. Go SpaceX, go SGPEREx, go Punch.
SGPEREx and Punch on their way to map out our universe like never before and revolutionize space weather forecasting.
We are T plus 30 seconds into flight, and we are currently firing all 9 of those M1D engines. And after about 50 seconds, we'll begin throttling down those engines, which slow the vehicle down just slightly in order to prepare.
Power telemetry nominal.
In order to prepare for passing through max Q, and that is maximum aerodynamic pressure. That's the largest structural load that the vehicle will see during ascent, so slowing the vehicle down.
Vehicle supersonic.
Slowing the vehicle down will reduce some of the loads that it experiences through max Q. That's coming up here in a few seconds.
Max Q.
Right on time. And now we have a few events that are coming up in quick succession, so we want to lay them out for you really quick. It's going to start with main engine cutoff. That's MECO, and that's when SpaceX shuts down all of its 9 engines on its first stage, which we are getting a great view down the pipe right there. Shortly after that, Stage 1 and 2 will separate from each other, and then seconds later, the first stage will flip back towards Earth, while the second stage will continue on, igniting its MVAC engine. Now that call out is second engine start 1, or SE1, and this burn will last about 6 minutes. After that, the boost back burn on the first stage to put it back on a trajectory towards landing zone 4, which again is back here at Vandenberg, just about 1,400 feet from where Falcon launched from in the first place. Wow, look at that shot. All Merlin engines firing right there, and we have such a great live shot of it.
Main engine cut off.
Stage separation confirmed.
MVAC ignition.
Stage 1 boost back startup.